Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about the truth about brain rot, how social media affects you. Brain rot describes that foggy feeling after too much mindless scrolling. It's not a medical term, but it hit Oxford's Word of the Year in 2024. Your feel-good hormone, dopamine, spikes when you scroll social media or binge videos. Over time, constant stimulation exhausts your brain and raises stress. Anyone online, especially teens spending hours on feeds instead of reading, hobbies, or hanging out in person. Common triggers: binge-watching short videos, endless social media scrolling, doomscrolling news, multitasking between apps and tabs, and marathon gaming sessions. B. Effects on your brain: shorter focus, harder to concentrate on deep tasks. Weaker memory, you forget birthdays, directions, or where you left your keys. Slower problem solving: excessive screen time can thin brain regions tied to decision making. Higher anxiety: doomscrolling raises stress and disrupts memory. C. How to fight brain rot. 1. Limit screen time. Set strict daily caps and mute notifications. 2. Practice mindfulness. Try 4-4-4 breathing or apps like Calm. 3. Exercise regularly. Aim for 150 minutes a week to boost neuroplasticity. 4. Read daily. Books and articles stretch your attention span. 5. Stop multitasking. Focus on one task to improve memory and productivity. 6. Socialize offline. Face-to-face chats keep your brain active and lift your mood. 7. Get outside. Nature lowers stress and sharpens focus. 8. Take digital detoxes. Even a week off social media can refresh your mind. Cut the clutter, give your brain real challenges, and you'll feel clearer, sharper, and more in control. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting, Sunbro.